and on we'll go.
So let us start to solve today's question. Why? Which method? Shortcut method. Today we are going with shortcut method. अब हम किससे सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं? शॉर्टकट मेथड से. तो पहले सबसे पहले एक टेबल बना लेते हैं फॉर सॉल्विंग दैट. So here we have the column first for x, column 2 for small x, then we have small x square, then we have y, then we have small y, then we have small y square, then we have xy. Okay, so here you take the question called capital X, and here you take from capital Y. So we have capital X, we have 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Similarly, we are putting in y also. We have 6, then we have 8, then we have 10, then we have 12, then we have 14, then we have 16, and after that we have 18. So this is the part of question which we are copied, right? ये क्या है? ये question है जो हमने copy कर लिया. Now we have the second step is to find what? To find small x and small y, right? Before that we are going to learn the formula first. So let us write the formula. Okay, and formula we are using the short value. हमने कौन सा यूज किया है? Short value को यूज किया है. ठीक है, तो let us do to solve the question also. So here we have to first find small x, and the formula for calculating small x is capital X minus a. Capital X minus a is our formula. So here we are letting a as 18. तो 18 हमने क्या लेट कर लिया? a लेट कर लिया. Then 12 minus 18 it becomes what? Minus 6. 15 minus 18 becomes minus 3. 18 minus 18 it becomes 0. 21 minus 18 it becomes 3. 24 minus 18 becomes 6. 27 minus 18 becomes 9, and 30 minus 18 becomes 12. Hope it is clear. Now we have to find x square. Square of 6 is 36. Square of 3 is 9. Square of 0 is 0. Square of 3 again we have 9. Square of 6 is 36. Square of 9 is 81, and square of 12 is 144. Hope it is clear to you all. Now let us go to find small y, and the formula for calculating small y is capital Y minus a. What is the formula? Capital Y minus a. So here we are letting 10 as a. हमने 10 को क्या लेट कर लिया? a लेट कर लिया. So here we are subtracting 6 from 10, we get minus 4. 8 minus 10 minus 2. 10 minus 10 0. 12 minus 10 2. 14 minus 10 4. 16 minus 10 6, and 18 minus 10 8. I hope it is also clear, right? So we have to find small y का square. 4 square 16. 2 का square 4. 0 का square 0, 2 का square again 4, 4 का square 16, and 6 का square 36, and 8 का square 64. Okay, now we have to find x, y. Small x, small y, right? So what we are doing? 6 into 4. So what is that? It is 24. 6 4s are 24. 3 into 2. 6. 0 into 0, 0. 3 into 2 becomes 6. 4 into 6 called 24. Then 6 into 9 is called 54. And 12 into 8, 96. What is that? It is 96. Now this is the time to do total. ये अब टाइम है हमारा किसका? टोटल करने का सब चीज़ों को, तो हम टोटल कर लेते हैं. Sigma small x small y equals to, here we have sigma y square equals to, here we have sigma small y equals to, here we have sigma x square equals to, here we have sigma x equals to, right? So let us solve the total of it, do summation of all the terms. So here we get 21, 315, 14, 210. Hope it is clear to you all, right? Now the very simple thing, we have to put the entire formula in the entire values in the formula. So R, n is number of values called 7 into sigma xy. Sigma xy we have 210, so we are writing 210 minus sigma x into sigma y. Sigma x is 21 and sigma y is 14 upon under root n, again 7 into sigma x square. Sigma x square is what? 315 minus sigma x ka whole square means 21 ka whole square into, again we are going, n is again 7, sigma y square, it is 140 minus sigma y ka whole square 14 ka whole square. Then in this very simple way we are putting only the value in our formula. हमने यहाँ से वैल्यूज को लेकर अपने फॉर्मूले में पुट कर दिया. अब हमें करना है, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लाई. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद मल्टीप्लाई. मल्टीप्लाई शुरू करते हैं. 1470 राइट एंड तो वी आर राइटिंग 294 अगेन अंडर रूट 315 का मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 7 से. ठीक है, 7 5 जा 35, 7 प्लस 3 10, 7 3 21 plus 1 22. So it is 2205 minus square of 21. तो देखिए 21 into 21, तो we are writing 1 into 1 1, 1 2 is 2, same 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. It is 441. So we are writing 441. फिर again multiply we are putting. And after multiply we have one more 7 into 140. So we are writing 140 into 7. 0, 28, 8 and 7 get 9. 980 minus. We have again 14 into 14. 16, 1, 4 1 is 4 plus 1 5 into 1 4 is 4 and 1 1 is 1. So we have 196, right? So we are writing 196. Hope it is clear to you all. यहाँ तो सबको क्लियर है. सिंपल वैल्यूज को पुट कर दिया. अब हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे चलते हैं. 6 तो 1176 होल अपॉन वी हैव अंडर रूट 2205 माइनस 441 764 into, again we have one more root 980 minus 1, again 1176. Now we solve the value one by one. रूट्स निकालना आप सबको बता दिया था मैंने पहले से, तो उसकी रूट की वैल्यूज निकाल लीजिए. So one more time 1176 6 अपॉन 42 into 28. What is that? Multiply कीजिए. It is again 1176. तो क्या करेंगे, अब इसे कट कर देते हैं. 1176 से 1176 कट हो गया, तो r कितना आ गया 1. इफ योर r इज 1 देन व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग. अगर r 1 है तो क्या लिखेंगे, परफेक्ट पॉजिटिव कोरिलेशन. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you for the day.